What's up, everyone? The I was going to make a part two to my room tour video, but apparently my room tour video didn't got corrupted. Apparently, so I've already filmed a part two, but this part one was like filmed like a week, like a month before part two, so a lot has changed. So, yeah, I have to do a new room tour video and explain everything. Okay, cool. Well, at least I can still make it. I still have my room, which is cool. I have my desk here. This is my chair, obviously. Bit of a learning curve, this chair. I didn't know that you could twist it to make it go down. Got my computer. I stubbed my toe. Have this, which I made myself. I'm planning on painting it black and leaving that upside down for a while. So, I have a trash bin. I have a stuffed animal, which is for my anxiety. I have this, which is an entire scene is going on here. You have this guy who summoned these two, and they're all fighting the Wither. Hold on, wait a minute. No, wait, hold on. I need to change something. This guy replaces this guy. There we go. That's for later. Now it's better. He's still gonna get blown up by the charged creeper though. Also, and down here in the caves, that actually works very well. That works very well as andesite. I didn't mean for that to happen. That was a mistake. I have a drowned in a pool of water here. A witch and zombie villager, baby zombie. As you can see by the difference in height. I could definitely make like... This is a very good camera. I could definitely make like a... Hold on. My brain's doing a funny. And not letting me think. Hold on. Why can't I remember it? Why? So... Picturama. I'm like that dude from the, Great, now I can't remember the other one. Why? Moving on from what I was talking about. These two were very unprepared for the cave. I think they dug straight down. Nope. No holes. Then you have the Nether, which you open up and you get a mural. You have zombie piglin. Have an Enderman ready to teleport to this man, who has looked the Enderman in the eye and is now scared for his life. Also, glowstone is everywhere. And I have lava. Right there is going to be a ghast once I make one. Yeah, that's it for the mural. Oh, wait. I have a baseball and I have two baseballs and a hockey puck. Trident gum. I have this, which is cool. Oh yeah, and I also have a new phone, which I'm filming on. I tried uploading the first video on my old phone. That didn't work. I can't do that, apparently. This is like... hold on. I hope this works. Well, like, Wait. Is I can't turn the camera around, so you guys are gonna have to go in darkness for a bit. There we go. I have this. Spider-Man. It's retractable. And then if you don't want to hold it like this, hold on. You can always do this, which then you can put a shield on the back of, which is cool. So you have like a shield, and also it's clipped onto there, which is cool. Makes it look good, which is awesome. Hold on. Gonna unclip it. There we go. Now it's like that. Then you lock it on like that. Then it goes right there. Then you have this, which is the flying car from, which is a Lego recreation of the flying car from Cloudy with a Chance to Meatballs. I have just decided this right now. Then you have this, which is a race car from Mad Max. I have just decided this now. Trying gum. I have plans for my room. I have only done one. Mount TV. The TV is going to be mounted here. Not this TV, but when Mom gets a new TV, for either the living room or for me, depending on which she chooses, it's going right there. Right on this wall. And a TV mount only costs $15. Cool. I also have this, which is a gift from my mom. Really cool. And this, I have no idea what this is. It's probably nothing. Into the trash. Also, I have a chalkboard. Why can I not remember these things? I have a shelf that I made myself. I made it myself. This is nailed onto the wall. It used to be a basketball thing that I don't use anymore. I am planning to take this off and put a zip tie on it. This line here is just for stability. Keep it stable. And I have this. It's really cool. I have a rock in the shape of a bunny. It's not a bunny in the shape of a rock, it's a rock in the shape of a bunny. Also, Flex. Spider-Man No Way Home. I am not rich, but I am just very lucky. I have a small chessboard and a water bottle. Also a radio. You know, if you can hook up an aux cord to a radio, hook it up to your phone, and then you can play it from the radio. Also, I recently got Captain America's Civil War for the sole reason that Spider-Man's in it. I wanted to see how Spider-Man was introduced into the MCU. Pretty good. I have my cap, which is USS Theodore Roosevelt, CVN 71. I don't know what that means. Helmet, tie, which is... This zipper is supposed to work, but doesn't. I have a medal from ROTC, which is cool. All ROTC cadets get this. So really, it's just a participation trophy, but only for ROTC people, so... I have this safe, which you can get at Five Below, which is trivially easy to unlock. I won't tell you how. because you'll just figure it out yourself. Pens and pencils that I never bring to school. Electric heater. Don't have all this plugged in when you have that plugged in, because you will blow a fuse. I have Rubik's Cubes that I've never solved and probably never will. These wires go up to there and also up to my Bluetooth speaker. Seamless segue, by the way. Yeah, that's really good. Also, I have this, which I put in backwards, but is a Hardy Boys book. This is from the Solitary Tales. I think it's the third or fourth one. Really good series. This is from the Gone series, the second one. A Gone novel. They also, Hunger, Lies, Plague, Fear, and Light. It's down there. I forget what this one is. What this middle one is. And then this is One of Us is Next, which is, I haven't finished reading. Why is it under all the books I have finished reading when I haven't finished reading it? Don't worry about that. DVD player, my cap and gown, which is really cool. This is a gift from my friend, from our neighbor that couldn't take care of his cats anymore, so he had to move out, so gave us his stuff and his cats. Whoops. Cat fell. Ah! There. Also, I have a wetsuit. Why? Just why? Stay. I have a scarf. I have a suit. I have this, which needs to be tailored. Hold on. Let me find where it needs to be tailored. I'll find it as soon as I know which is the correct orientation. Right here. It needs to be tailored right here. So, yep. I have a beanbag, which is cool, and also that, which is really fun. Greek mythology, because Greek mythology is great. Also, if you have a kid, if you're a parent, you have a kid. So, get this. This stuff is really cool. I don't know what it's called. Sorry, I forgot its name, but you can do stuff like this. Hold up your lamp if it's falling down, which this one was. Also, I have a bunch of them. Right in there. Sweaters and toy guns in this bucket here. I won't open it because there's stuff on top of it. I have Hedwig and a Tootsie Roll pillow, which I made out of the innards of a punching bag that I destroyed, and zip ties, and also a piece of fabric. That is a cat ramp, which I need to put, which is not sturdy enough to hold up the cats. So I need to figure out how to make this sturdy. Navigators thing. Really fun. Also, I have shield design I made myself. That one's my favorite, because it's my first. That one really is my favorite. And also I have a poster there and poster there. Another poster over there, but you can't see it from here, because my mural is in the way. Also, I have Hedwig from Harry Potter. And he's holding my Class of 2022 chain, which is cool. Also, I have a moose from my dad. Moose. Moose and Squill. I have a dartboard. I have this, which is my grandfather's boat. Well, my grandfather didn't own it. My grandfather worked on it in the Navy. I was named after him. You can see why I'm called Gryffindor. You see why I call myself Gryffindor. Look at all these medals that he got. Cool. I know I was in ROTC, but I don't know what these mean. So, if anyone can tell me, that'd be great. Because I'm curious, but not curious enough to look it up. I have a poster of Pennywise from the movie It. Clickbaiters will call him the It Clown. No, his name is Pennywise. Respect him. He will eat you. Also, these are my medals from ROTC. The clovers mean that the clovers mean I got them twice, and the double clovers mean I got them 3 times. Ah, these will not cooperate for some reason. Fine. Anything else? Hamper. The other video took like 30 minutes to film. Also, that sound that you've been hearing in the background is my AC. It is currently 90 degrees outside. So, yeah, this is cool. I have a suit, which is cool. This doesn't fit me yet, but it will. Greek myths and the Illustrated Book of Myths, which is which is this, but generalized to not just Greek myths. Yeah, this one has a flashlight and is made out of fan parts. You have like the protection first part, the front part of the fan, then you have the bottom part of the fan. Flashlight, you have this, which is really soft. This was a part of an old vacuum that we had. I have this. That's a prop. This is a mirror, which is cool. So, in the unlikely event of aliens with laser guns, I am prepared. Because laser guns are just like photons, photon beams. So realistically, you could just reflect the photon beams right back at the enemy. Why am I telling them my secret backup plan? Now they know. Now they know my plans. Great. So that was my room. Also, I have a very good bed that I don't have a frame to right now. I'm working on that. Why don't I have a frame? Well, it's because I jumped on my bed and I didn't want to break the frame, you know? But I broke the frame because my parents made me keep the frame. Yeah, so now I don't have a frame. So, that was my room. Really cool. Very fun to put together. So, see ya.